What's going on, guys? Got a no cooling call. 78 in here. Set to cool auto, and we're set at 72, and it's 78 in here. Indoor fans running, and I noticed when I pulled up the outdoor condenser was not on, so let's check the old float switch here. Oh, yep, looks like we got a float switch. Yep, just heard the hear the refrigerant moving in the lines now that I pulled this out. Yeah, on these here they broke yellow instead of breaking red. So whenever the float switch fills up with water, the outdoor unit just shuts off, but the indoor unit stays on. So that's what it is, a float switch. So looks like the trap's probably clogged up. I'll get the old gallow gun out and we'll give her a blast, get the drain opened up, and we'll suck the water out of here. Okay, I got my gallow gun, got the cartridge in here, just flip it around, drop it in there. There we go, ready to roll. There's the opening for the trap. Set that in there. Give it a blast. Alright, that should do it. Now we just gotta suck the water out of the overflow. So, got the vacuum for that. Okay, got the water out of the overflow switch. So we will go ahead and put this back in. Alright, that should be it. I'll dump some water down there just to make sure the trap's opened up. Everything's working good. And on to the next one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.